Hello everyone, I'm Onam Bhatia and I'm here today to make a quick recipe for you. Today we'll be making peanut chili noodles with scrambled eggs on the side and also sunny side on top if you want to increase your protein content. It doesn't take more than 30 minutes, it's very quick and it's very easy, so let's get started. So here I have very basic ingredients. First of all, I have some oil. I've taken some olive oil, but you should technically use sesame oil for Asian cooking. I have some freshly grounded black pepper, some salt, some egg which we're going to scramble later. We also have some coriander for garnishing. To make the sauce, I have some boiling water, 2 tablespoons of honey. If you don't want it to be very sweet, you can also use about 1 tablespoon or 1.5. Some Szechuan chili sauce, about 2 tablespoons again. You can also use normal chili sauce if you don't have the Szechuan one at home. I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce as well and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter because that'll be the main ingredient that we'll be making the sauce in. The other basic ones are obviously some boiled noodles. You can see here I've boiled it in boiling water which was already salted for about 8 to 10 minutes. So it's almost al dente, which is that it's not overcooked and it's just about cooked. For the other ones we have some chopped garlic and ginger, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped and half an inch of ginger, some mushrooms which have been chopped and about 1 small onion which has been chopped again. In the end you can also put some fried egg on top if you want to, otherwise you can completely skip it if you don't want to make it with egg. To get started, let's heat a pan here so it's almost hot because you can feel it. Let's put in some oil, which is about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or sesame oil. Once you see that your oil has started bubbling, you can put in the ginger and the garlic that you had. Sorry, it's too hot because I've been waiting for some time. So once you fry the ginger and the garlic for about 30 to 40 seconds, you can see that it'll start sizzling here. The next step would be putting your onions so that you can make the onions slightly translucent. So let's just wait for it to get a little fried. Okay, so you can see that the garlic is turning a little brown now. So you can add the onions. I've taken 1 small onion. If you want to save time, then you can also add the mushrooms together. The key to making good mushrooms is that it should be cooked at really high heat so that it's actually a stir fry. I'm going to wait for about 30-40 seconds till the onions are slightly translucent. And then I'll add the mushrooms on high heat and then we can switch on to making the sauce, which will just take about a minute. You can see it's almost brown. I'm going to add the mushrooms now and I'll let this cook for about a minute or 2 till the time we make our sauce. So just going to spread it throughout. If you want at this stage, you can also add about half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper as well. It gives me more flavor. Just mix it properly and let it cook for about a minute or 2. Okay, so now let's move over to the sauce. To make the sauce, we have 2 tablespoons of peanut butter here. The point is that we want to make a sauce. We want this peanut butter to melt, which is why I'm going to add some boiling water here. Let's say about 2 to 3 tablespoons so that our peanut butter starts melting. I'm adding a little bit first. Just going to use a fork and make it into a sauce so that it melts properly. So you can see that the peanut butter has melted now. Additionally, to complete the sauce, we'll add the soy sauce that we had. So I have about 2 tiny tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix it. Also, I've used the crunchy peanut butter. You can also use the normal one. This one is from Vivas, so you can use it. It's quite nice and it has a crunchy flavor to it. I'm also going to add the 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. Again, you can use chili sauce as well, the normal chili sauce that you have at home. Again, whisk it and add some honey. If you don't have honey, you can use ketchup or anything that you think can add a balance of sweetness to the sauce. So I've added about 1.5 tablespoons of honey. You just mix it. You can also additionally add some black pepper, just a little bit of it, and some salt if you want. Otherwise, the peanut butter and soy sauce already has a lot of salt. But this is it. Your peanut chili sauce is ready, and then we'll have a look at our vegetables now. Okay, now that we're done with our sauce, we can put in the egg ingredient as well. I have one egg here cracked open in a bowl. Just gonna add a little bit of salt. It's better to add the salt first so that the protein breaks down, and I'm just gonna whisk it so that we can make our scrambled egg tart. So just whisking it with some salt here. Okay, now that that's done, we can have a look at our vegetables and make just some space here so that we can add the egg part. You can see the mushrooms are almost fried now. I'm going to add a little bit of oil again so that we can have the eggs cooked properly. Just going to spread this oil and add the egg that we have whisked. And the key is you can also do it separately and then add it. I just don't want to use a lot of pans sticking to this. Okay, so it's been about 30 to 40 seconds. We can see that the egg has scrambled. You can easily add your noodles after this. It's quite and like pretty straightforward from here. So I've added my noodles. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. You can also add a little more salt and just very little bit, like a tiny pinch of salt and a tiny pinch of black pepper here. I like to add it at stages because it gives it more flavor then. So I've added this, just gonna mix it all together so that it all combines, and then we're just gonna add the sauce and we'll be ready with it. So we've added the noodles, now we can easily add our sauce that we had prepared. And give it a nice mix. If you think it's too thick, you can also add a little bit of boiling water that you had in the beginning. Otherwise, if you think the consistency is good, we can just leave it at this. Now once it's all completely mixed, you can add some fresh coriander that I already have chopped here. You can also add crushed peanuts to give it more crunch. But mostly this is about it. On the top, if you want to add another half fried egg, you can do that. It just gives a better presentation and more egg protein content, of course. But this is about it. This is your peanut chili noodle. I'm just going to serve it on a plate now and have fun with it. It's amazing how I could put this together in 20 minutes. It was so easy. It's filled with proteins and vitamin C because it has vegetables. You can also change the kind of vegetables. You can add capsicum if you want, skip the mushrooms, skip the eggs if you don't want to have eggs in your meal. But it's super easy and it's really tasty. So I hope you enjoy it.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.